aliens maybe, but you can never detect black holes. And definitely you cannot detect gravitational waves. So that wasn't a very motivating, but I still didn't listen to him and went for a PhD in gravitational waves. And in September 2015, the detector started taking data again. Like after 5 years, government gave the funding, we opened up the project. So I showed you, right, કે પેલા બે તારા જ્યારે એકબીજા સાથે હતા અને તારા એકબીજાના અંડર આમ એ જ પુલ થતા હતા. Now of course that information, if they are black holes, is not known to us. Why? કારણ કે black holes માંથી તો light પણ નથી નીકળતી. So if these two stars are black holes, how are you gonna know? Well, yes, light નથી નીકળતી, પણ gravitational waves નીકળે છે. And about 150 crore years ago, 150 crore years ago, there was no dominant form of life on planet Earth. ત્યારે આપણે ત્યાં માછલીઓ પણ નહોતી, ત્યારે આપણે ત્યાં ફળ પણ નહોતા, ત્યારે ઝાડ પણ નહોતા ઉગતા. I'm talking about that long time in history of our universe. 150 crore years ago, two stars, which were black holes, they bumped into each other. And once they bumped into each other, we didn't see the light, but what we saw was gravitational waves. So these are the two black holes. નજીક આવે છે, ધીરે ધીરે વધારે નજીક આવે છે. They're releasing this green thing, which is what we call gravitational waves. And this whole thing, this is an exaggerated video, but this whole thing lasted only half a second, right? And then these waves, gravitational waves, traveled the entire universe, because light તમે ફેંકો તો light બધા directionમાં જાય. It doesn't have to just stay there. So it traveled for the entire universe, and on September 14, 2015, it came on Earth. ત્યારે બરોડામાં સોમવારના બપોરના 3:30 થયા હતા. I don't know તમે કેટલાને આ ફીલ થયું ખાધા પછી, but the waves came on Earth, stayed for half a second, and you can see કે the whole Earth stretched. Of course, this is an exaggerated effect. આટલું બધું stretch નહોતું થયું, આટલું Earth આપણે મૂનથી પણ stretch નથી થતું. So this whole thing stretched, and along that also stretched મારું detector LIGO. Right? So let me just play this video once more. The two black holes collided 150 crore years ago in a galaxy which is beyond even our imagination. Ke kevi hase. They released something called gravitational waves, and the time when these two collided, right, these green things that you see was more than the combined energy in the entire universe at that instance. This is the most energetic thing ever happened to be recorded by mankind. It is that massive. Then the wave traveled, and then on September 14, it came on Earth. After traveling a very long distance, the Earth stretches, shrinks, because every time એક આંટો ફરે એટલું વારે Earth stretch થાય. And આખું Earth stretch થયું. So did this detector, the two LIGO detector, in the arm stretch thing, and then we had this laser that was bouncing back and forth. So what happens is that laser bounce thati ho એટલે laser પણ ફંટાઈ જાય, and you can measure this effect. Now the LIGO detectors, what you saw, આ જે green અને red તમને line દેખાય છે, right? This was the actual response of the detector. It was 5 o'clock in the US at that time, and I received a text message that an unusual thing has been seen in LIGO detector. Now, હું LIGOમાં છેલ્લા 3 વર્ષથી કામ કરું છું આની પહેલા, and the only job I have is to look at this data and say, well, is there a black hole or not? And you don't look at it with just eye, you also have algorithms that actually analyzes data in real time and tells you कि आमा कोई interesting feature है कि नहीं. And on September 14, I distinctly remember, like about 7 o'clock in the morning, I saw this was the response, just the green and red line. And I had to pinch myself. Is this actually a gravitational waves? For 100 years, what we were trying to see and didn't have understanding of, is this really what we saw? I didn't know, but I thought yes it is. So what we did કે મેં 3 વર્ષ સુધી 400 થી 500 સુપર કમ્પ્યુટરના સિમ્યુલેશન્સ કર્યા હતા. બ્લેક હોલ બે અથડાય તો કેવા લાગે એની પર. નાવ એક સિમ્યુલેશન કરવા માટે તમારે કમ્પ્યુટરમાં 50,000 કલાકનો ટાઈમ જોઈએ સુપર કમ્પ્યુટર્સમાં. And I'm talking about the one of the world's fastest supercomputer that exists right now. I took my simulations, and then at this white line is what my simulation is, and the other is in the background is the data. This was the image of the discovery. We said with 95% confidence that what we saw was gravitational waves. What we saw was collision between two black holes. And this I knew pretty much on September 14 itself. But we decided not to tell anyone. Why? Because we are going to say to world something which mankind has been trying for 100 years. Now think about what we have been trying for 100 years. We even this is beyond the time scale ke apne jare freedom struggle ni movement karta tha. And trying to get that kind of thing. We are talking about 100 years of time scale. We can't just come and say, oh, we proved right and we know everything about. So we did every possible check. Life was a nightmare ये 5 महीना માટે. Cause हमें कोई ने कही ना सके, including मारा parents ने पण નથી खबर कि we detected something. I couldn't even tell मारा apartment ना roommate ने. And we kept tight lock secret. And then finally February 11, 2016. I think the audio is now working, but the director of LIGO came, told to the world that we detected gravitational waves after 100 years, and we did it, right? And thank you. So yeah, that was a slightly emotional day, right? You know, if you think about, not कि even नसीब में क्योंकि मानो छू, but to be alive doesn't matter कि वहाँ discovery में होत के ना होत. But to be alive as a human being today, where you have technological advancement, that you can detect something as impossible as the black hole and gravitational waves, that is just so cool, right? Like never it has felt so amazing to be a human being, to be proud of our own human legacy, right? We've been fighting wars, we've been killing each other, but we still found time to do science and prove things which were beyond even ordinary. So yeah, that was February 11. And this was a hat trick. We proved black holes exist. 100 years they didn't know. We proved Einstein's theory predicted, we proved it right. We proved gravitational waves exist. Again, Einstein's theory predicted this. We also proved that two black holes can collide and create the most energy in the universe, which was never known before to us. In future, we can use this energy for a lot of technological advancement that is even beyond right now to our understanding. So that's why we made a cake for Einstein, where it's 100 years of his celebrations, and there are the two black holes that are actually colliding. And this is the wave that we saw and that my simulation matched with. Now this question I'm of course going to get in the discussions, but briefly, why does it matter to us? साधारण लोगों ने, why this is important? So તમે અગર સાયન્સના બેનિફિટમાં જુઓ, આપણે ચંદ્ર પર ગયા, આપણે એક ડેવલપિંગ કન્ટ્રી જ્યાં ભૂખમારો છે છતાં પણ આપણે મંગળ પર ગયા. And at the same time, when we have tons of other issues in life, we still detect something like black hole. This is what human race, when we will be wiped out, the next species would be proud of. Like this is what we could have achieved. But still, what is the nearby application? તમારા કેટલાના ફોનમાં GPS છે? Right? Okay. So GPS is the only applications of Einstein's theory. Why? કારણ કે તમારા ફોનની ઘડિયાળમાં જ્યારે 1 કલાક થાય અને સેટેલાઇટ ઉપરથી સિગ્નલ મોકલે છે એમાં 1 કલાક થાય, that is not the same 1 hour. Why? કારણ કે સેટેલાઇટ has a different clock જે ટિક થાય છે, that's a relativity difference છે. Now Einstein didn't write theory of relativity to make GPS કારણ કે આપણે એક જગ્યાથી બીજી જગ્યા પર ટાઈમ પર પહોંચી શકીએ. That was not the intention, right? So we don't know right now કે gravitational waves ના આજથી 100 વર્ષ પછી if you come what would be the applications. But I can tell you this way. We thought that there are only 5 senses with which the universe communicates with us and we communicate with the universe, right? And one of the main thing was apdu vision, apdi eyes. You know, we feel the vision of something in this around us, or we feel heat and then we can say that something exists. Now you know, beyond 5th sense, there is something with which the universe communicates with me, you and everyone in this room, which is gravitational waves. You know, the universe does, we all shrink and stretch. અગર આ રૂમમાં ગ્રેવિટેશનલ વેવ આવે તો આપણે કોઈને કેમ ના ખબર હોય, કારણ કે આપણે બધા જ ખેંચાઈને શ્રિંક થઈશું. અને મારા હાથમાં જે રૂલર હશે એ પણ ખેંચાઈને શ્રિંક થાય તો તમે કહી ના શકો કે ગ્રેવિટેશનલ વેવ્સ આવે છે. બટ ધ યુનિવર્સ ઇઝ કમ્યુનિકેટિંગ ટુ યુ એન્ડ ગ્રેવિટી ઇઝ ટેલિંગ યુ અ સ્ટોરી. You just have to find the right instrument to listen to that story. And one of the stories we listened was collision between 2 black holes. And not only we did it once, we did it again in December when we found another black hole collision again 150 crore years ago. And we published that paper in June and announced again to the world. So now why does it matter to us Indians? So India has decided that they are going to build the LIGO observatory, જે US માં છે, a 16 square kilometer setup in India. So I met with the Prime Minister when the historic signing of the MOU happened between the India and the US. This is the most ambitious project India has ever done. And you have to, you know, think, this project we've been trying to pursue for last 6 years. And nobody thought, you know, what if, I mean, really India would build this detector while US is also not doing this, I mean, not able to detect this. It was so great to see that our Prime Minister personally taking interest in science. And this is not like an ordinary science, because we mangal par pani sodhu. No. We are talking about detecting gravitational waves and black holes. He understood this whole scientific discovery, he understood the benefits this comes to India. And then he decided, okay, yes, the government is going ahead with an extremely flexible funding to build this project. And this is the time scale of the project. And this is one of my selfish reasons why I'm here today. 2016, we signed the agreement, we are going to build the detector. This detector is not going to be built until 2024. That is 8 years from today. That means the students who are in their first year of college or they are in their 12th science would, when we build LIGO, will be of the age and phase in life where I am right now. And that is what we really want. I am not going to be the one who leads LIGO India project and makes this discovery, but it's you, the students, who genuinely like science and technology are and have to come forward to be part of such ambitious science projects, right? And if you ask, you know, why do we do, I mean, India, I mean, okay, we will detect black holes from India. Rajasthan ma detector muku, Rajasthan na gamada mathi mein black holes hoti. Fine, no. You are transforming India beyond what the sectors can think of. You are looking at not just research and development, that people like me are going to use supercomputers, જેનું applications weather ને meteorology ને earthquake માં પણ હોય છે. You are seeing કે there are industries who is going to build this project. 16 by 16 square kilometer નો instrument scientist જાતે તો slab ભરીને બનાવવાના નથી. So of course we are going